Nyama, nyama. Oh, mama.
Man, God been blessing me. You gotta get my relationship back with my daughter, bro. I miss my daughter, Tori. I ain't lying. I miss my daughter, bro. Just gonna pray about it. I miss my baby, though. It's still my daughter.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
It's still my baby. I want my relationship back with my baby, man. It's still my daughter. It's still I love her. I ain't gonna lie. Once I get my relationship back with my daughter, life gonna be perfect. Yeah. If she ever need me, I'm here for my baby. Whatever she needs. I miss my baby. I just gonna take a little time, that's all. Gonna take a little time. Yep, I mean, yeah, I reached out to her. I done reached out to her.
Thanks for tuning in to Newborn Arrival.